finish up this 10-box case of Leaf Art of Sports 2021. Colby's been crushing this one. Let's finish strong here. Seen some awesome pieces, both from the autograph and the memorabilia side. Mantle 1 of 1. Lewandowski Jumbo UEFA patch. Walter Payton tag patch. We've seen a little bit of everything. Let's get you some more 101s, buddy. Good luck, good luck. Appreciate it as always. All right, Kirby Puckett. Start things off. That is 35 of 35. 5-piece. Ooh. You're going to like this one, too. You like the first Mickey Mantle. Let's get another Mantle piece here. We'll throw in some of his friends. Whitey Ford, Reggie Jackson, Thurman Munson, Roger Maris, Joe DiMaggio, Derek Jeter, and Yogi Berra. That one is number 19 of 25. 8 Wonders of the World. Great looking card there. All right, then we have a Leaf spokesman. Cal Ripken Jr. Jersey signatures, numbered to 35. And wouldn't you know it, his compadre, also Leaf spokesman, Joe Montana. 24 of 45. The spokesman box right there, along with the Yankees 8-piece. All right, next. All right, we got a 1 of 1. All right, start things off with some 7-footers who played basketball and were pretty good. Shaquille O'Neal, Alonzo Mourning, David Robinson, Robert Parrish, Patrick Ewing, Hakeem Olajuwon, Yao Ming, and Bill Walton. That is 25 of 25. All right, followed by Carl Yastrzemski. Triple bat, 17 of 25. All right, 1 of 1. Stroke of Genius. Bat signatures, Wade Boggs. Ooh, I like this next card. I like this next card a lot. I was hoping we were going to hit one of these. Your current and 2-time U.S. Open champion. Rookie signatures, Bryson DeChambeau. 17 of 25. With the Leaf rookie logo up there in the top right-hand corner. Again, DeChambeau has one of the nicest looking autographs. All right, next. Five-piece. Enshrined Exhibit. Leo DeRocher. That is 2 of 6. Leo DeRocher. Sorry for the glare. All right, then we actually have 3 autographs in this one. This one kind of morbid as the logo just recently passed away. Jerry West. Number 12 of 15. 12 of 15, Jerry West. Then we have a Wayne Rooney jersey autograph, 17 of 20. Manchester United legend. And dual autograph, Joe Montana and Steve Young. That one is numbered 6 of 6. So nice Hall of Fame dual autograph there to finish up that box. Montana and Young. Next. Dual jersey. Giannis, the Freak. That is number to 15. Well, this is unexpected. Check it out, guys. You saw the 1 of 1. This one is 13 of 25. Another Mickey Mantle piece coming at you. This time with 4 pinstripes. Actually, 5 pinstripes. You got another piece down there in the top bottom corner. So, pinstripes galore on that piece. 13 of 25 Mickey Mantle. Steelers legend, Mean Joe Green. 3 of 25. And another nice piece right here. Numbered 4 of 6. Jersey autograph. Stroke of Genius Albert Pujols. I love this product. This product is so good. It is so good. Alright, last box. Finish it on up. PC, I love it. Like to hear it. Alright. Last box from the case. Dual jersey. Ricky Henderson. This is wild. 29 of 35. We saw this guy earlier as well. Again, if you're going to get dupes, Mickey Mantle and Tom Brady aren't bad guys to get duplicates of. Number 9 of 9 on the Brady. 5-piece. All right, Bobby's going to love this one. His hometown team. Ray Lewis autograph. Baltimore Ravens. One is 11 of 30. And we're going to finish up with Iron Mike. That is numbered 12 of 15. Tyson memorabilia signatures. Round out a fantastic case. Colby, I appreciate it, man. Hope you enjoyed. And again, I'll get all the stuff packed up and out ASAP, buddy.